This is Electrical Awareness. My name is Jeroboam Kimtai. Welcome to this program on electrical matters. In this episode, we are going to do something concerning batteries as a source of electricity. And we have been doing other programs over time. And as we continue, people are requesting us to do other things. And one of them is this. So we are handling on we are handling something to do with batteries, and I'm introducing it as an introduction in a very short video today, and we will be able to continue about the same in the next 2 or 3 videos. We did uh, bat- about batteries in the last video a little bit, and it was like a question. But today, let me just dive into it and start introducing something about batteries. So before we continue, I welcome you to subscribe, to share, and like these videos. And for the new people who are coming in, kindly subscribe and share. For those that have subscribed already, thank you so much, and continue sharing this to other people so that we continue getting what we are getting. I promise you that these videos are informative, they are educative, and they are also making you to handle electricity in a better way. So welcome as we continue. Battery. A battery is a source of electric power in and it is presented in one or more electrochemical cells. When the battery is connected, the negative terminal is the one that is connected to the positive of the machine. And so uh, the negative, when you are connecting, just for your information, you connect the negative of the battery to the machine of the positive part of the machine. And maybe to go a little bit lower, let me inform you that all the electronic machines do not use 240 volts direct. They have step-down transformers, or better still, they have electronic adapters that convert electrical AC form into DC form. All right. So most of the electronic machines use DC rather than AC. And so every electronic machine has a transformer inside. So when you use a battery, it is the best thing that electronic machine uses. Okay, so in other words, I am saying electronic machines use DC power as opposed to AC power. So when you plug in AC, it means it has to be transformed, it has to be stepped down, or it has to be changed from AC to DC. So that is the information I wanted to give you. And so when a battery is connected, then that is the best source of electricity. It is only that most of the batteries do not store power for a longer time. And so in this case, electricity, AC, or national grid connectivity has come in handy. The battery could have multiple or one cell. Okay, so which batteries do have multiple cells and which batteries do have one cell? We shall come to discuss that in detail in the next episode. But let me just tackle a little bit about it. The batteries that have many cells are the batteries like those ones that are used by vehicles, and sometimes they used to be connected to televisions before, especially in our nation, before electricity or a national grid electricity was connected to many people. Okay, most of the televisions that we used in long time ago, that was around late 80s there, most of them were AC batteries, DC batteries rather, and they were connected, most of them were DC enabled televisions, and so they were connected to batteries. Okay, but nowadays I know in our houses we have those ones that use AC kind of electricity. So those batteries mostly in short are used in vehicles, in generators, in motorbikes, and so on. It is also important to know that we have rechargeable and batteries that are not recharged. So the ones that are not recharged, they are disposable. After they have been depleted, you throw them away, you dispose them, okay, and then you go to the shop, buy others for you to use. But rechargeable, you can recharge. Once they're depleted, you boost it again, and then you charge it, you use it. So I'm going lastly to give an example of rechargeable batteries, which come in two forms mostly. One of them is lead acid chemical battery. All right. In the last video, I was able to introduce that batteries are stored in form of chemicals. Electricity in batteries are stored in form of chemicals. And so lead acid chemical is the one responsible for storing electricity or electrical charge in a battery, right? So in this first type of rechargeable battery, lead acid battery, this lead acid is the one responsible for storage of electrical charge. Number two is lithium ion kind of battery. This lithium ion kind of batteries are the ones that are used in laptops, cell phones, portable cameras, and so on. Now, the lithium ions are the ones is a chemical responsible for storage of charge. Now let me recap. In that point, we have two types. We have lead acid batteries that are used mostly with vehicles and bigger things and generators and so on. And we have lithium ion for laptops, cell phones, and portable small cameras and so on. So those are the two kinds of rechargeable batteries that we are using. Also remember, we have rechargeable batteries. This 9-volt battery is rechargeable for the use of things like microphones for public address systems. So those are the batteries. But the point is this: whether battery or AC electrical power, we need to run machines. So we find that even people are now running into green energy kind of battery, kind of electricity, green energy. This means they are introducing solars, charger controllers, inverters, and batteries. They are using them instead of getting connected to the national grid. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video as an introduction in these wonderful programs we are doing about electricity. But remember to stay safe, to handle electricity in a responsible manner. Let's meet in the next episode. Thank you and God bless you.